here in Hannibal, Missouri, doing a little video on the birthplace of Mark Twain, and saw this guy moving down the tracks, putting a little solution down. I'm not sure what it would be. For all you train enthusiasts, let me know what they might be doing down here. The DOT, as you can see, we're on the river here. It's probably some sort of weed abatement, I would assume, not necessarily mosquitoes. Probably trying to keep the weeds from growing. Pretty cool operation. They just drive right on top of the tracks, bring down the guide wheels, and take it over. And they just pray to God that a fast-moving locomotive isn't heading their way. All right, guys, have a good one.